So the student, in the last lecture we study about the two quantity, two cross quantity. First is the circle and the semicircles. We discussed in the last lectures about the area at the perimeter. Perimeter is just a sum of all things, all sides. In the circle, we call the perimeter as a circumference because the given figure is in curve form. For that we can use the perimeter in place of circumference. So we discuss the circumference of the circle and the circumference of the semicircle and so on. We also discuss their examples and their formula. Today I'm going to start our new topic. It's a surface area. So the why we need the surface area, and if we also have an area, so for because of we have area, for that using of the area we can find the surface area. How and why? Look at here. Surface area, its a definition is just a surface area. It's depend on the 3D figures. Volume and the surface area, both things are depend on the 3D figure. That means a figure which have a 3 dimension. If you not see a figure in the behind sides, yeah, bottom side, such type of figure, it's known as the 3D figures. એ 3D figures એટલે કેવી figures કે તમે એની બધી બાજુઓ જોઈ ના શકો, કે પાછળની સાઈડ ના જોઈ શકો અને બોટમ નીચેની સાઈડ ના તો જોઈ શકો. એ ટાઈપની જે figures છે, this is the 3D figure. બટ આ બધી 3D figure 2D figure નો યુઝ કરીને બનાવેલી હશે. તો આપણે જે 2D figures ના એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરે છે, એ બધા એરિયાસ નું એડિશન કરીને આપણે સરફેસ એરિયા મળે છે. So look at the student. If you have a 2D figure which have a length and breadth are given, so taking the sum of all sides, you get the surface area. So surface area is just addition of the 2D figure. So look at the examples and the definition. So surface area is just areas, but extra thing is what? We take the sum of all area. The second definition of this topic, it's the volume. Volume, that's mean the capacity. Volume is also depend on the 3D figure, 3D figure. If you have a one page of book, it is not able to take any amount of anything. But if you have a cuboid, so it measures something in it. So in short, we can say the volume is just a capacity of your object, your substance. વોલ્યુમ એટલે આપણે સિમ્પલ લેંગ્વેજમાં કહીએ કે એમાં કેટલી વસ્તુ સમાઈ શકે. ઓકે, આપણી પાસે જો ખાલી એક પેજ હોય બુક્સનો, તેની પર તમે કઈ ના સમાઈ શકે, પણ આપણે ક્યુબોઇડ બનાવી દઈએ એ લંબચોરસની ઉપર આજુબાજુ લાઈન લગાવીને તો આપણે ક્યુબોઇડ મળી જશે. તો એની અંદર કઈ કેપેસિટી હશે તમારી વસ્તુ સમાવવાની. યોર ડેસ્ક is one example of the cuboid. So the cuboid it gives to you, volume is gives to your capacity. Okay, and volume is not depend on the 2D figure. So the volume of the circle is not possible, but the volume of the sphere is possible because sphere is a shape of 3 dimension. આપણે ડિસ્ક લઈએ ને કોઈ પણ, I think you listen some CDs. So this CD is a circle form, but you have a ball, tennis ball, yeah, cricket ball. They all are the 3D because it has some quantity to gain it. તો આ બધી વસ્તુ એવી છે કે જેની તમે કંઈક ભરી શકો ને, એ બધી 3D ચીજ છે અને જેની અંદર તમે કંઈ એની અંદર કંઈ ભરી ના શકો. એ 2D છે જેની અંદર ખાલી લેન્થ અને બ્રીથ હોય, હાઈટ જ ના હોય. કઈ વસ્તુની ઊંચાઈ હોય તો એની અંદર કંઈક નાખી શકો ને, જે વસ્તુની હાઈટ જ નથી તેની અંદર શું ભરી શકો. So this is the why we discuss these two quantity. So first of all, we discuss the surface area is just a sum of Paul's area up to this figure, and the volume it gives to a capacity of a substance. So look at the first figure we discussed here. First thing is cube. This is your cube. This cube is depend on the square. Square means whose all sides are equal. In cube, you have a 6 sides and all sides are equal. The front thing is the space. This line, okay, it's called the edges, and at this point it's called the vertices. Here the length, width and height of this given figure of this given cube are equal. આ ક્યુબ છે એને ક્યુબ ને ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાશે સમઘન. અને એની પ્રોપર્ટીઝ છે સિમ્પલ પ્રોપર્ટી ની વાત કરીએ. we just discuss the simple property. This is the vertices. It's called the vertices. It's called edges. This line, okay, such a line called the edges. And this is the one face, two face, three face, and it has a 6 face. અહીંયા આપણે આગળ 3 દેખાય છે પણ પાછળ પર 3 હશે. So this is your cube. Now we get the formula to find the volume and surface area of cube. You just remember the cube has the all sides are same and it has a 6 sides. તમે કોઈ પણ બોક્સ જોયું હશે ને ક્યુબોઇડ ફોર્મનો, ક્યુબ ફોર્મનો. I think you have a cube. આપણે Puzzle's cube. Yes, Puzzle's cube is the best example of cube. Okay, whose all sides are same and it has a 4 sides. Sorry, it has a 6 sides. So first of all, we discuss the two formula. The first one here. This is your cube. If I open the cube, so look at the it has a 6 side. તો આને આપણે ઓપન કરી નાખો ને તમારી પાસે ક્યુબ હશે ને ઓપન કરી નાખો તો તમને 6 sides મળશે. And all sides are equal, so a side is denoted by S. I want to find the surface area. So first of all, I get the area of every face. It is a 6 face. So area all the cubes. Cubes depend on the square, and the area of the square is side square. So if I take the sum of all 6 faces, I got the surface area of the sides. એટલા માટે જ કીધું તું સરફેસ એરિયા એ કઈ જુદું નથી. એ આપણે જે આ બધા ચોરસ નાના નાના છે ને બધાનો એરિયાનો સરવાળો કરો તો તમને જે મળે છે સરફેસ એરિયા છે. Surface area is depend on the areas. If we take the sum of all area of the given small square, you get the surface area. So for that, you always know about the area because the area is always depend on the surface area. So here the formula of the cube is to find the surface area. It's a S is denoted by the surface area and capital S, it is denoted by the length of side. So the first formula you have surface area is equal to 6L square. This is your cube and the surface area is students, please remember it, this formula, it's very important. Is equal to S square where S is the length of side. So remember the first formula to find the surface area of cube. Now we're moving on to the next formula, which is the related with the volume. So surface area is gives to when the length is side is s, so it's s square, 6x square. But volume that is depend on the 3D, it's the length into breadth into height. So all the things of the cube are same. So volume of the cube is s square. So now we discuss some example of it to find the volume and the surface area of cube. Hope you remember these two formula. These two are really very important. So first of all, the question is arriving for you. We discussed the two examples, two things, cube's area and surface area. Surface area is 6s square and the volume is s cube. S is the length of side. And cube has all sides are equal. So tell me the solution. If length of cube is one side of cube is 4 centimeter, then find surface area and volume. This is just a use of example formula. First example always gives the use. So what is given? You have a cube. This is your cube, whose all sides are equal. So this is cube whose all sides are given. This side is 4 centimeter. So first of all, I'm finding, and it is denoted by S. S is the length of side. Surface area is 6x square. So 6 into 4 centimeter square. Apply the rule. 6 into 16 centimeter, 4 square in centimeter square. 6 into 60. If I multiply by 6 into 16, I got
96.
96. Very good. It's a 96 centimeter square. And the unit of area and surface area both are same because the surface area it's from this area. Now volume. It's S cube. As that's mean length of side is a 4 centimeter cube.
64.
Yes, it's a 4 into 4 3 times centimeter into centimeter. It's a 64 centimeter cube. Hope you clear this example and the formula also. You must remember it. Also, student, please just remember. Now I'm giving to you one example for your practice. You just tell me the answer. Okay? So be ready. This is your question. All the students, please focus on it. Yes. This is your cube. Okay? And find their volume and surface area. And this is in centimeter. Okay? 2.5 centimeter. All the quantity in centimeter. So student, please start and tell me the answer. Please write down your answer. Yeah, tell me. These two formula you always remember.
Area 37.5.
Don't say area, you say surface area. Okay? Yes. Wait a minute. Yes. Tell me answer surface area. (2.5) square into 6. It's what? And the volume.
37.5.
37.5 centimeters square. And volume 2.5 cube. Is 6.20.
15.625. 15.625.
15.625.
15
It's
na.
what? 15. Are you sure?
Okay.
Centimeter cube. Student, look at the answer here. This is the answer of surface area and volume of cube. Okay, clear all of you? Now, the second question is just different from it. Okay, now it's not a simple. Here you need some mind, but it's very easy, don't worry. ચલો એક એના પછી ને સોલ્વ કરીને બતાવો કે જેથી મને આઈડિયા આવી જાય કે બસ હવે આવડી ગયું તો આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઉપર જઈએ. So this is your question on your screen. Be ready. Just a second. Where is it? ચલો મને મળતું નથી તો તમે લખાઈ દો બધાને ક્વેશ્ચન પછી. Write down. Question is on your screen. It's just different. It gives your mind. Question is, if area of square is a 9 centimeters square, then find surface area and volume of cube. And next one, if perimeter of square is 16 centimeter, then find surface area and volume of cube. What is given to you? I'm just suggest you as a figure. So this is the given. Area is given here. This thing is given. And you can find the surface area and the volume. So what you can do? First of all, you tell me what you can do. Then you give me the answer, not directly. This is your cube. Here, this is given. It's a 3D figure, so it's hard to explain every time. You just tell me the surface area. This is one part you have. So what you can do? The same thing in second example. You have a perimeter of square. This is your square, and this things is you have this upper part. This is the sum of all sides. And by this you can find same thing, surface area and volume of sphere. Sorry, not surface area and volume of cube. Here this thing you have this thing upper part. So you can tell me what you can do. After it, you can solve it. I don't need the answer. I need the explanation. Okay. You have a 2 question. Then you have a 5 minutes to solve it. All students please try. You have a 2 formula and I told you the relation between the area and surface area. ચલો શું કરવાનું છે તમારે કરવાનું છે મેં તમને બધું સમજાવી દીધું કે આ બધું કઈ રીતે આવે છે તો ચલો બધા રેડી થઈ જાઓ. I need the answer from all students. Okay, not a 1, 2, 3. All students.
Madam,
Yes.
Hello?
Now, yes, you tell me the reason, not answer.
fourth I did, madam.
Yes. So what
Good.
what you can do?
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
madam. For question number 2,
Yes.
I
This
take
person.
the okay. First, they say the square is 9 centimeter,
Yes.
and I arranged them. I
Yes.
took area of the square, that is 9 centimeter
Yes.
cube, 9
Mhm.
centimeter, and then I also take the surface area and the volume of the cube, whereby
Yes.
I find the formula of the surface area, where it
Mhm.
is 6 s and square.
Yes. Right.
And if you take 9 and you square it, you get 91 times
Yes.
6, you get 486.
Yes.
That's the formula of finding surface area. And then
Yes.
after that, I take volume of the cube, whereby the volume of the cube is s cube,
Mhm.
and I take 9 times 9.
Yes.
When you take 9 times 9, you take the answer is 729 centimeter cube.
Oh, very good. Very good. But something is missing here. Okay, Lulu, but it's a very good. Really impressive answer. So any other student? She told you. See, suppose that you have an area. I got the area. So see, find the area as a in short. I give the s square. S square is the 9 centimeter square. See, multiply the 6 by 9. So 6 into 9. It's a 54 centimeter square. It's your surface area. But for the volume, you are have a need a s cube. So it's a 9 into 3. It's a 27. It's your volume. So what is the procedure to find the question? The something is missing here, Lulu. Okay, don't worry, but you try very well. Any other student? Okay, look at here. I'm doing. બાકી કેટલાઓને આવડે છે ભાઈ ગુજરાતી? So how many student? Okay. So many students give the answer. Surface area is 4, 6. No, not like this. Okay, I solved you. I will. Here, look here, student. You have answer of the second question is you have an area of square. It gives to you area of square. It's a 9 centimeter square. Okay, and which quantity you know you need to find. So first of all, I'm using the formula of the area of square. This is the square. And area of square is depend on the side. I give the name of side is S. So if I'm using S, the formula of the area square is become S square is equal to 9 centimeter square. S, I need to just length of side, S. So square is converted into the square root and centimeter in centimeter answer. So S is equal to 3 centimeter student. So I got the length of side. It is this. This is your length of side for the square. Okay. Now I'm convert the square into the cube. This is your cube. And cube is a sum of 6 faces of square. So look here, I'm finding this thing. I have a S, and you know now, S is a 3 centimeters. So for that surface area is. Remember the four these things, student. Look here, this figure. Every part of cube is represent itself a square. So first of all, I'm using the formula of square. By the area, I'm finding the length of side. I got the length of side as converting into the square into the square root. So now surface area's formula is S is 3 centimeter here. So surface area is equal to 6s square. In 2 dimensions, student, we can use the length of side as A. It's not every time you take the A is unknown numbers. Here I'm using the S. So 6 into 9. Sorry, 6 into 3. Then directly you can put the value of S square here. So 6 into 3 square. S is the length of side. 6 into 9. 6 into 9. 54 centimeter to centimeter square. Now about the volume. Volume, that's mean it's cube. So length of side is 3 centimeter cube. So 3 it's multiplied by 3 times. And centimeter cube, it's a 27 centimeter cube. Now you tell me what you can think about this question. Now, okay, Lulu, understood? And the another student, remaining student, understand? Have they answer? Okay, Lulu. Surface area. Karan, how could you got the surface area is 96 centimeters square and volume of 64? Which question you have? Nikita, you got very good. Karan, check your answer, the second question. Don't be confused because the surface area is depend on the 2D figure. For that, why I gave you, first of all, I open this cube. So every small figure indicates this small square. Now, so the answer is here. Now tell me the last answer. All the students must. I give you the one hint in second question. The perimeter of the square is given. That means the sum of all sides. If you divide put the value, put the formula of the perimeter and got the value of S, and S is what? Tell me. And put the area and surface area, given equation. So first of all, you can find the length of side by using the perimeter of the square, and the perimeter of the square formula is a 4a. But here I am using the not a as a length of square. I am using the length of square. Length of square is as a S, because here we use the formula, it's a sides. Okay, second question. Okay. Understood. The second question answer is Karan. Okay. So the Karan from the civil department, he said, answer of the second question. Look at it, I'm right. If he is wrong, so please suggest me. He said the surface area is, okay. Kanan, please tell me the length of side in second question. What is the length of side? Hope you get the S is equal to, means length of side is equal to 4 centimeter. And the surface area, it's a 16 into 6. It's a 96 centimeter square. Very good. And its volume. So 4 is multiplied by 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. It's a 64. 4 cube 64 centimeter cube. So these are the answer. Hope you clear? So it's a really beautiful answer. So don't forget, we just add the one quantity. The surface area is always depend on the area. So this is the two example. Hope you clear. Okay, now we're moving on to no. So please be ready for the attendance. Also, student, please unmute yourself. And compare your answer with him. How many students got it? Electrical student, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, without asking, yes, ma'am. Number 1, electrical. Electrical student, please
Nothing.
unmute yourself. Nothing. Number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 3.
Yes,
Number
ma'am.
Okay, 3 done. 3 done. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 5. Number 6. Number 7. In electrical department.
Yes, ma'am.
ચલો કોઈ electrical માં બાકી છે?
7.
So 7 done. So you are free from today. You can go and ready for the next session. Have a good day. Civil student, please unmute yourself. All the civil student be ready. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, civil department. 9.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. 10. 11.
Ma'am. 2 number.
Karan?
11 present.
Okay, 11. Karan, I do it. Okay, don't
civil
worry. Done. Yes, you're done. 12 number. So the civil student,
Yes, ma'am.
12 number done. Brichen, have a good day. Go and enjoy. Any student of the civil
11
department?
present. So, ma'am. 11.
Yes. 11 thank you, channel done. You may go now. Now the chemical student, be ready for the present. All the student unmute yourself. Number 1 in chemical department. Madina, where are you?
Present, ma'am.
Number 2, number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, number 4.
Present.
Okay, number 5. Number 6.
Present, ma'am.
Number 7. 7 number 8.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, done. 9.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 10. 11. Okay, 10 kelvins. Please, I'm not able to understand your voice. Please send your message in chat box. But 11 number, 12 number.
Present, madam.
Okay, well done. 13.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 14.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20.
Hello, ma'am. 16 present.
Chalo, 16 Niketa, done. 17, 18, 19, 20. Pascal. 21, 22.
Present, ma'am.
Which number?
22.
20. Okay, done. So the any student which have a mic problem, please put your attendance in chat box.
Madam number 20. Madam number
okay.
20, number 20.
Pascal, I already take it. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Welcome. Have a good day. If you have any question, please send me and tell me about anything. Today I'm stopped here. Have a good day. Enjoy.
Hello, ma'am. 21 is
Yes.
present. He has an 8 issue. 0 to 1.
Okay, 21 done. Okay, now anyone else? Okay, have a good day.